Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Back up any irreplaceable files to an external drive, then make or confirm a Windows 10 USB installer or recovery disk. Once done, plug the media into the affected PC and shut it down. Use the firmware key to open the boot menu, select the USB, and boot into Windows recovery environment. Make sure to choose your language and keyboard, then pick Repair Your Computer. This gets you directly to the troubleshooting tools you need. Once in recovery, try Automatic Repair. Let it attempt fixes and reboot if it completes. If problems persist, open Command Prompt to run targeted repairs. Start with diskpart to confirm the system partition, then run chkdskc/f to repair file system errors. Next, run bootrec/fixember and bootrec/fixboot to restore boot records. If Windows still won't load, use bootrec/scanos and bootrec/rebuild to detect and rebuild the boot configuration data. These steps fix common corruption issues. After repairing boot records, restart and remove the USB. Confirm Windows boots normally. If it does not, try System Restore from Recovery to revert recent changes, or use Reset this PC while keeping files when necessary. Make sure to disconnect external drives and remove recent hardware, then attempt safe mode to isolate drivers. If errors persist, write down exact messages or codes, because reinstalling Windows using your USB installer may.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.